Samgyupsal tayo, tara? Pumunta kami sa Gogi Marami Makati kasi 24/7 open sila. Yung price list depende kung anong araw kakakain at syempre yung mga bata may discount. Self-service din dito so ikaw na pipili ng tip mo. And the best part, unlimited premium ingredients like side dishes and sauces. Like super daming options. May guide din sila kung paano i-combine yung meats to get that pinakamasarap na flavor for you. Unlimited meats and proteins pa and yung faves ko talaga dito, enoki mushroom, duck, and beef. And yes, people, mas maraming meat, mas better para masulit. Unlimited din yung greens and dessert. Favorite ko yung melted cheese. And get this, hindi nakakaumay, promise. Meron din silang unlimited ramen, rice, and soups. Plus, yung extra side dishes like japchae, Korean pancake, and tteokbokki. So, bago tayo kumain, quick reminder lang, if solo diner ka, may 100 pesos fee, 2 hours dining limit lang. And bawal yung leftover ha. Anyway, ito yung reason kung bakit sobrang authentic yung lasa. Charcoal yung grill so yung lahat ng meat may smoky taste and hindi rin siya mabilis masunog agad. Fresh yung meats and it melts in my mouth. Of course, hindi mawawala yung samgyup wrap. Grabe, sobrang satisfying. And to end our samgyupsal craving, of course, maga-ice cream, hindi mawawala ang dessert sa samgyupsal. O tara na!